Let's talk about feet of head real quick. This building is a 3-story building and we're down in a lower level. So we're technically 4 stories above us right now. This is our return coming back into the pump was at 16 PSI. That is not sufficient for this type of building. I usually use just a ballpark figure of about 8 PSI per story because you have to factor in what's called feet of head. So water weight has so much weight that pushes down and creates pressure the further you go down. Here, what I would rather see for, being 4 stories above us would be somewhere around 30 something PSI. The fact that we've only got, about 16 PSI tells me that we don't have enough water in the loop to properly flow water through all the equipment, and so we're starving the upper floors. So we would say, say 35 PSI down here, but we would go up to the top floor, the 3rd floor. It may only say, 8 PSI, 5 to 8 PSI there at that floor, maybe 10 PSI. We've got to monitor this, and you need to compare how much physical pressure you have and factor in the stories of water above you to calculate how much additional pressure that height is going to add to your system. So what we need to do here is we're going to go up to the makeup valve. We'll get additional water added to the loop. That'll get our pressure up